Welcome to this lesson on roots, one of the most essential structures in plants. Roots perform two primary functions, absorption and anchoring. They take in water and minerals from the soil while securing the plant firmly in the ground. Understanding how roots work helps us appreciate how plants survive and thrive in their environment. Roots serve two critical purposes for plant survival. First is absorption, which involves taking in water and dissolved minerals from the surrounding soil. This water and these nutrients are essential for all plant processes. Second is anchoring, which means securing the plant firmly in the ground to provide stability. Without proper anchoring, plants would topple over from wind or their own weight. Plants have evolved two main types of root systems. The taproot system features one main thick root that grows downward with smaller lateral roots branching off from it. Examples include carrots and radishes. The fibrous root system consists of many thin roots that spread out from the base of the stem, forming a dense network. Grasses and wheat are common examples of plants with fibrous root systems. A growing root has four distinct zones, each with specialized functions. The root cap is a protective covering at the tip that shields growing cells as the root pushes through soil. The zone of cell division is where new cells are constantly produced for root growth. The zone of elongation is where cells rapidly expand in length, pushing the root deeper into the soil. Finally, the zone of maturation is where cells differentiate into specialized tissues and root hairs develop for absorption. Root hairs are tiny hair-like extensions that emerge from root cells in the zone of maturation. These microscopic structures dramatically increase the surface area available for absorption, often by up to 10 times. Root hairs penetrate between soil particles, making direct contact with water and dissolved minerals. This close contact allows for efficient uptake of essential resources that plants need for growth and survival. Water absorption happens through a three-step process. First, water moves from the soil into root hair cells through osmosis, crossing the cell membrane. Second, water travels through the root cortex cells, moving from cell to cell toward the center of the root. Finally, water enters the xylem vessels, which are specialized tubes that transport water upward to the stems and leaves where it is needed for photosynthesis and other processes. Roots absorb several essential minerals that plants require for healthy growth. Nitrogen is critical for leaf growth and chlorophyll production, giving plants their green color. Phosphorus is important for energy transfer within cells and proper root development. Potassium regulates water balance and strengthens plant tissues. Other essential minerals include calcium, magnesium, and sulfur, which support cell structure, photosynthesis, and protein synthesis respectively. To summarize, roots are the plant's foundation, performing vital functions that keep plants alive and healthy. They anchor plants securely in the soil, providing structural stability against environmental forces. They continuously absorb water and essential minerals that fuel plant growth and metabolism. Without properly functioning root systems, plants cannot survive. Understanding roots helps us appreciate the complexity and elegance of plant biology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.